nationwide sale ngayon si Watsons. Yes, you heard it right mga auntie ko. I know all of you agree that D offers the best sale. Today, they offer up to 50% off and buy one take one on selected items. Also, D offers buy now, pay later plus exclusive bank offers. But this is only exclusive for Watsons Club members only. So kung hindi pa kayo member guys, make sure na member na kayo now na. Sundan nyo lang tong steps ng nasa screen. Once done na kayo, pumunta na kayo sa pinakamalapit na Watsons store sa inyong lugar.
Or you can also use the app to purchase products on Watsons.
Ano nga ba yung bank offer ni Watsons? So, yung sabi ko kanina, ni buy now, pay later with zero interest pala yun. But of course, sa BDO yun, so you should purchase with a minimum of
5,000 pesos.
Meron din pala silang top 2 GCash spenders na makaka-receive ng iPad 10.9 inch or Apple Watch Series 10. And also, there are other banks din pala bukod sa BDO kanina. There are RCBC, Metrobank, East West. So, yung RCBC at Metrobank is makaka-receive ka ng 100 cashback with a minimum receipt of 2,000 pesos straight yan na purchase. And yung East-West naman is 500 pesos yung cashback with accumulated spend of 3,000 pesos. O diba, ang bongga ni Watsons guys.
Everyone, I forgot to mention, you can actually get free PVL tickets when purchasing via the Watsons app through express delivery and click and collect. O diba, ang bongga, bumili ka lang online sa Watsons, tapos makaka-receive ka pa ng free gift na PVL tickets.